Right now, what is happening in your pockets? Every time you open your banking app, tap to pay at a shop or sending money to someone, three giants are fighting for that transaction. OPay, PalmPay, Moniepoint. Three companies, billions of dollars, millions of Nigerian customers, and only one price, the financial future of Africa's largest economy, Nigeria. Nobody in the mainstream media is framing this correctly. So today, we're going to break it down. Who they are, where they are fighting, who is winning, and what it means for you as a consumer or as an entrepreneur. My name is Taofeek Fagbemi. Let's do it. Before getting to the fight, you need to understand who is in the battlefield. OPay is powered by Chinese investors and launched in Nigeria in 2018. Today, it claims over 40 million users and processes more daily transactions than some traditional banks in Nigeria. They started as a super app, ride-hailing, food delivery payments, for payment becoming its crown jewel. OPay's valuation has crossed over $2 billion, making it one of Africa's most valuable fintech companies. Second, PalmPay, also backed by Chinese, funded by Transsion, the same company that makes Techno, Infinix, and Itel phones. That is PalmPay's secret weapon. It comes pre-installed on millions of affordable smartphones that everyday Nigerians already own. PalmPay now has over 34 million users and is growing very fast, not just in Nigeria, but across Ghana, Tanzania, and Egypt. Number 3, Moniepoint. This one is different. Moniepoint is Nigerian funded, built by a team that understands the local market from the inside. It started by solving the problem nobody else wanted to touch: points of sale terminal for small business owners and market traders. Today, it has grown into a full business banking platform. In 2024, Moniepoint became Nigeria's first fintech unicorn with a valuation of over $1 billion, and it was named the fastest growing fintech in Africa by Financial Times. Now, let's talk about where the war is being fought, because these three companies are not fighting on just one front, they are fighting on three fronts. Battlefield number 1, the unbanked. Nigeria has over 38 million adults who are completely unbanked. No bank account, no card, no credit history. These are the people traditional banks ignored for decades. OPay and PalmPay both went after this market aggressively, with zero account fees, instant transfers, and apps that work even on low-end devices with poor internet connections. Battlefield 2, small business owner. This is where Moniepoint made its name. Walk into any market in Lagos, Kano, and Port Harcourt, you will see the Moniepoint POS terminal on almost every store. They build trust with merchants by actually showing up, offering loans, and providing business tools that banks never bother to create. OPay and PalmPay are now trying to catch up on this space, but Moniepoint has 2-year head start and deep roots. Battlefield 3, every digital payment. This is the most competitive front. Every Nigerian with smartphone is a target. The strategy here is simple. Make your app the one people open first when they need to pay. The weapons: cashback rewards, zero transfer fees, referral bonus, better interest rates on savings. All three companies are spending millions to win this space, because whoever wins the daily habits wins the customer for life. Now, the question everyone wants answered is, who is actually winning this war? The honest answer is, it depends on what you are measuring. On transaction volume, OPay leads. It is processing hundreds of billions of dollars every single day. With networks of agents across Nigeria, gives it reach that no other fintech can match right now. But on growth speed, PalmPay is the one to watch. Having your app pre-installed on the phone someone just bought is one of the smartest distribution strategies in the history of Nigerian fintech. They are not just growing, they are growing without spending as much on customer acquisition as other competitors. On business sustainability, Moniepoint stands alone. Here is why this matters. OPay and PalmPay have been burning cash to acquire customers. Free transfers, cashback bonuses, all of this cost money. But Moniepoint built a model around business that actually generates revenue. Loans, payment processing fees, business accounts. It is more expensive to acquire a business customer, but that customer stays longer and pay more. And here is the most important number. Moniepoint is reportedly the only one of the three that is profitable right now. In a world where investors are no longer writing blank checks to fintech companies, profitability is not just a nice to have, it's a survivor. But do not count OPay and PalmPay out. Both have deep-pocketed investors, and both are expanding across Africa. This war is far from over. So why should you care about war between three fintech companies? Because you are not just a spectator, you are in the middle of it, and you can benefit from it. As a customer, this competition is working in your favor. These companies are fighting over your loyalty, which means better rates, lower fees, faster transfers, and more features for you. Use that to your advantage. Do not be loyal to just one platform. Understand what each one offers and use the best tool for each job. As a small business owner, the most important question is, which platform is actually helping your business to grow, not just process payments. Moniepoint is currently the strongest answer to that question, but evaluate your own situation. Volume of transaction, access to credits, and customer support quality should all factor into your decision. And as an entrepreneur, watching the big picture, pay attention to what these companies are building. Next wave of African fintech is not just about moving money, it's about embedded finance, where financial services are built directly into tools of businesses. Whoever cracks that first in Nigeria wins the continent. Here is the truth about the fintech world. OPay has the volume, PalmPay has the distribution, Moniepoint has the profitability, and all three have the ambition to dominate not just Nigeria but the entire African continent. Here is what nobody is saying. The real winner of this war is not going to be the company with the most users. It's going to be the company that has the most trust. From the market trader in Balogun, from the small factory owner in Aba who is done with traditional banking. Trust in this industry is the only currency that really matters. I want to hear from you. Which of these three platforms do you use, and which one do you actually trust with your businesses? Drop it in the comment section and let's learn from your experience. I am Taofeek Fagbemi.